The gay, lesbian, transgender community is really oppressed in El Salvador.
The most serious problem was the violence.
Lawyers told us stories about trying to bring cases against the police department for beating people and holding them unlawfully. Their cases simply languished in the judicial system.
Asociación Legal para la Diversidad Sexual in El Salvador called me in June of last year and said, can you help us do a training for Salvadorian lawyers? Under Salvadorian law, there aren't a lot of protections. International law is really the way we're going to have to go.
The El Salvador Constitution says that when El Salvador signs treaties, those treaties have the same force and effect as laws. El Salvador had signed 5 or 6 treaties which had much stronger declarations in there about human rights and protecting people than their laws in the country did. And so the theory behind the training was that we could use those treaties and the cases decided in other countries under those treaties to make the law and the protection for the LGBTI community in El Salvador stronger than it could be under local laws. The training itself was a day-long session. A good portion of the audience were lawyers who were from the police academy. We felt that we did a very good job of getting the attention of these lawyers to the problem that they faced their policemen on the street. I would work with the Vance Center again in a second, and I would go back to El Salvador and help in a second. It's very rewarding work.